golf is, it's like meditation. Diba?
Oh yeah, super.
So throughout the day, mas calm ka, relax.
Yeah.
Do you feel that? Or
Oh yeah. And it's also nice to be, syempre, in an open space, tapos all green.
yeah.
Then, I see rin how it's also good for business. I mean, because sometimes, if kulang, you get paired up with random,
Talaga?
people. Like you join, like example, if I'm solo, and there's two people playing, sometimes they'll make me join
Yes,
them.
right.
So, I have no choice but to interact with them. And
Mm.
usually, parang the people in mga country clubs are, yun nga, business owners, politicians, mga artista rin. So, ayun, you have no choice but to really interact and
Yeah.
talk to them for 3 hours, 4 hours. And in those times talaga you get to, yun nga, talk about,
Yeah. Business.
you get to share your story, you get to talk about business.
How did you get into it?
Golf.
Yeah.
My family talaga was into golf. Then, syempre, it's like right in front of my house rin kasi. So, I just have to cross the... Pero I only started playing pandemic siguro.
Pandemic lang.
2022. Especially after I injured my
Okay.
shoulder. Safer rin.
Wait lang, hindi ba siya delikado for your shoulder? Kasi
I,
swing eh.
I thought, but then, like no matter how hard I swing, no matter how fast, it's still sort of controlled eh.
Right.
And it only goes from this point to this point.
Okay.
Unlike basketball na other people can affect.
Yeah.
Like, example, someone
Bangga
hits
lang,
it,
yeah.
bangga, wala.
So sudden movement, so parang...
So at least this one medyo, it's just like from point A to
Right.
point B.
Actually, try ko nga.
Minsan I go with Jella, and ayun. That's how she got into it na rin.
Because of you?
And her brother, we always play. Sometimes I play nga with a brother, me and him lang din.
Yeah.
Not even, she doesn't even
Talaga?
go with us. It's just me and the brother.
Yeah, may memory nga ako na parang may video yata sila ng brother niya nag-golf. Parang inaasar niya yung brother niya, something like that.
Oo.
Yun ba yun?
Siguro.
Oh, yun. Baka yun nga yun. Na parang she's better, something like that. Basta golf, alala ko.
Feeling ko nga, when I come out of here, baka mas magaling pa rin sa akin.
Lagi na naglalaro.
Oo. But I told her while I'm here,
Golf siya.
go try to play golf as much, para try to get new hobbies, try to keep yourself busy.
Tagal din ng 2 months, bro.
Bro, long.
Must be hard for you.
Yeah. Always thinking about her, syempre. Always on my mind.
Yeah.
It's hard, it's really hard. Pero, wala, konting push na lang.
Yeah.
I mean, we're more than halfway na rin throughout the show.
Paglabas ko, sabihin ko sa kanya, sabi sa akin ni River, miss ka na daw niya.
Super.
And lagi kanya iniisip.
Yun.
Message ko siya, promise.
Please.
Sabihin ko.
It's hard yun nga, there's no assurance, there's
Yeah.
no,
What do you mean assurance?
I mean, like, I can't talk to her, I can't,
Okay.
but then,
That's...
yeah. But then, syempre, the trust is there.
Tagal yun na rin eh, no?
2 years?
2 years pa lang. Ano, tagal na.
I mean,
Pero like 4, 3, 4.
first girlfriend ko.
Si Jala.
Oh. Sabi ko, I wanted to be sure if ever I were to get a girlfriend. I want to be, syempre, I see the future na. I see it working out talaga. So, I waited talaga. Like, syempre, I met few girls before, dated na rin, but parang I didn't pursue it if I didn't know they were the one. Because parang I might be wasting their time, and baka waste my time rin.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
So date to marry.
Oh yeah, oo. if I could have one lang, I'll be super... Ako, that's my ideal. Just to
Yeah.
have one and done.
Yeah. Okay nga yun eh.
Oo. Ikaw, what age are you looking to, settle down? Or
Settle down?
not looking yet?
I'm honestly ready na right now.
Mm-mm.
Feeling ko lang career lang yung parang syempre yung deciding factor. Diba? Kasi sayang yung opportunity. I wanna maximize everything I can get from this
Oo.
industry.
Especially while it's hot, like,
Yeah.
strike when it's hot talaga.
Yeah. Kaya parang ganda ng mindset mo na na yung you don't wanna waste your time and the
And the other
other
person's
girl's
time.
Tama yun eh. Diba? For sure kinikilig si Jella. Pag nalaman niya yung sinabi mo.
Yung nanonood, hindi siya, tulog pa rin yun ngayon.
Tuloy ba? Ngayon, 33, 34, 32.
30s is the new 20s.
Yeah. Ano ideal age mo?
To get married? 30 plus, 30 to 35 siguro. Then, basta by 35 siguro I want to have a child na.
Yeah.
Para, I want to be a young
Oh.
dad. Ako, my dad kasi we're 50 years apart, me and
Really?
my dad. So, I'm the bunso eh. Like, my eldest brother is 45.
talaga?
Grabe yung age gap, yeah. Then,
So, how old is your dad? 70 plus?
he's
75?
He would have been 74 he passed away na 2 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Then,
Sorry.
but then, yun, 50 years. Then me to to the closest brother, 10 years age gap. Then to my next sister, 14 years. Then 18 years. Then 20 years. So, super big, age gap talaga.
It would be nice din kasi na parang get to play with your kids.
Oo. I mean, the industry that we're in.
Yeah. What do you mean?
I mean, it's harder to settle down, I guess.
Oh.
With the schedule, with the...
Yeah.
With everything.
Dami nangyayari.
Mm.
May new project ka. Kala mo ito lang yung goal mo, pero once you're there, oh, I want more. Di ba?
And syempre, stability rin.
Yeah.
Being able to provide for a family. I mean, like, if you just rely talaga on
Showbiz.
acting, on showbiz, I don't think it really is sustainable and enough to financially aid a whole family and
Yeah.
So I guess also that's one thing, yun nga, I'm considering. Like, once I'm parang financially stable, that's when I can
Get married, no?
settle down, get married. Gastos rin, marriage.
Oh, bro.
Millions yan.
Millions yun.
Ano?
House pa. So hard to
And
get
syempre,
a house
dapat parang
now.
bongga yung wedding kasi
Yeah.
once in a, lang. And yun, house, getting a house, getting a place to live.
Kaya yung plan ko is like, mag-spend eh.
Oh.
So ano goal mo pare? What's your goal in the next 5 years?
Goal next 5 years? Definitely, hopefully leading man.
Go, paglabas mo dito, leading man ka na.
Hopefully leading man. 5 years, I'll be 30 siguro. Hopefully leading man. Hopefully, I want to get an award. Hopefully for acting.
Yeah. So I feel like kaya man. Paglabas mo, leading man ka.
Hopefully, yun yung ano.
Yeah, bro.
Pero, yun, I'm happy with so far yung progress. Na ano. I started talaga with like, yun nga, no lines, no seconds lang.
Yeah.
And I was super happy na with those, yung mga, like, yung first show ko, I don't know how many, less than like, lang ata yung mga eksena ko.
Ano?
Less than like 5 minutes or 3
Yeah.
minutes. Tapos, I was super happy with that na kahit yung mga seconds lang na I see myself.
Yeah.
I was happy with that na. I think anything naman, even in jobs, also parang I feel like it's nice rin to start from the bottom pa talaga, work your way up. Parang you know how it feels example, when you're up there, you know how that employee who's
Yeah.
down there
Feel-
feels
yeah,
rin, and how, you know, that you can lift him up rin, and
Yeah.
really bring up their spirits, and, you know, there's always, it's a linear path talaga. Ikaw, what's your, next 5?
age. Also like with you, bro, like, I mean, same with you. Nag-start din ako ng from nothing talaga. Alala ko, yung first movie ko, first acting experience ko, Private Benjamin.
Ano talaga?
Sa cinema, bro. Hinelp lang ako ni Vice.
Oo.
After ko mag-Chinatown. Vice was really super helpful. Anyway, nagbabaril-baril lang ako, pare. Baril lang. Ganun lang.
First,
Oo,
ano mo
bro,
yun?
di ko alam
Grabe.
ginagawa ko. Like, kay Direk Wendy Ramas.
Oo.
Hindi ko talaga alam ginagawa ko. Nagbabaril-baril lang. Yun.
Pero grabe, that movie is such a successful, I mean,
Yeah,
goes
oo.
down in the history book yung
Mm.
Private Benjamin.
Ganun lang din, bro. Nag-workshop ako. Same with you, na one-on-one.
Oo.
So, yung super addict ako naging passionate talaga ako sa acting. Talaga sa pulang araw, bro, nanalo ako ng award. Best Actor.
Wow.
Oh,
Congrats.
thank you, thank you. So, yeah, sipag lang.
Oo.
The same with you, for sure, magagawa mo yun. Basta as long as you know what you want, why you want it, and how
You can
you will reach your what.
Oo.
Why, what, and how. I always have that mindset eh.